Hi there, I'm Stella from Stella's Yarn Universe. In this short video, I show you how you can twist the hair of your crochet doll, like I did for Mara the mermaid. I love how it looks with multicolored hair, like hers, but of course it will look great also if your doll has only one hair color. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I already twisted a small part of Mara's hair, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. Separate two pieces of yarn from the rest of them. They should be close next to each other. I like to choose two different shades to make the twists look more interesting. Now take one of the two strings and start twisting. It's very important that you twist in the same direction the yarn is twisted, otherwise it will split. Twist it just a few times until the yarn almost starts curling. Then hold the yarn end in place between your middle and ring finger. And use your other fingers and your other hand to twist the second string. As you did with the first one, you just twist it a few times until it almost starts curling. Then hold both yarn ends together, close next to each other, and let go. I know this looks like a big mess now, but you can now gently pull the twist from the root to the tip, and you've got a twist. I'll cut these ends off later when I finish styling her hair. The twist ends might unravel a bit. That's perfectly normal. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you tried it and gave your crochet doll some twists like Mara's, I'd love to see them. Feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook with @StellasYarnUniverse. If you want to make your very own Mara or her mermaid sister Marina, you can find the pattern for them in my Etsy shop or in my Ravelry shop. I link to them below in the description. Thank you so much for watching and happy creating. Wait, hold on. Don't click away just yet. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this, all about crochet and amigurumi. And ring the bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Happy creating.